besties, in today's video I'll be spilling the tea on 5 secret websites where you can make money from the comfort of your home. I bet you have never heard of any of these websites before. If this is something you're interested in, make sure that you keep watching this video all the way till the end. If you're new here, introduce yourselves. I want to know you. I'm nosy. I want to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys, thank you for your massive love and support. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you. And to all of my Patreon members, Kilo, Shele, Gogo, you guys are the best. Aww. Thank you for the love. I see the love every single day, and I really appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. God bless you. If you'd like to join my Patreon community, please find the link in the description as well as in the comments. Note that when you join my Patreon community, you get a free one-on-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things grant, money, business, and everything in between. So while you guys are introducing yourselves, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Mariam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share with you guys, hey, how to make money. Like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. So I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, it's all about helping you to secure the bag and become the best version of yourself. Without further ado, guys, let's just get right into business. Come with me. Let's go. Let's go.
Mariam A.
Besties, the first website on my list is swap.com. Yes, so have you heard of swap.com before? I'm sure you have not. In case you're in doubt, swap.com is a web-based consignment shop. Yes. Pre-owned items can be sold at this consignment shops, which means if you have clothes that you're no longer, interested in, you can sell them there. You can sell your fairly used clothing that is still in good shape. You can sell toys that belong to your kids. You can sell old furniture, yes, that you have actually replaced. And yes, here is how it works. When you list an item on the website, you immediately get a 15% cashback and 20% shop credits. Yes, so but if you have an item that is more than $8, you will receive 70% of the total amount and of course 20% store credits. Their shipping is actually localized in 48 states here in USA, which means that you can't earn from this website outside USA. But don't worry, keep watching this video all the way till the end. The next website on my list here is neighbor.com. Neighbor is just like Airbnb. It's an equivalent of Airbnb, but it is for spaces. Yeah, it's for empty spaces. It's an earning website for people that reside here in USA. Yes, if you live in USA, you can visit neighbor.com and post any empty space that you have, like your garage, your storage area, because renters will pay you for the space when it is not in use. Neighbor.com will provide you with a debit card where you may deposit your monthly payouts or pay you for your vacant spots through direct deposits. The Neighbor.com website will charge you a few minor fees in exchange for assisting you make money from your unoccupied spaces. One of the several secret websites where you can make money passively is this one I'm about to share with you. Patreon.com. Now, Patreon is a crowdfunding website because utilizing Patreon will make it simple for you to make money from your audience. You can earn money from this secret website without having a social media audience or being a social media influencer. If you're a teacher, for example, your audience may be your students, and you need to set up a page on Patreon.com so that people who are interested in what you do can subscribe on a monthly basis and access your content. Patreon is available worldwide. The next on my list here is TaskRabbit. Yes, so TaskRabbit is a secret website where you can make money without any knowledge or expertise on your side. Brawn and the drive, yes, to work are all that is needed. This platform is specifically designed for people living in the United States, Canada, France, UK, Germany, Portugal, Spain, yes, which means that you have to reside in one of the countries that I've mentioned for you to make money on TaskRabbit. Now, people visit TaskRabbit.com and they impute tasks that they would want to get accomplished. If you're selected for this job and you're successful in finishing it, then you will get the agreed upon payment. Yes, so when you register with TaskRabbit, you will find tasks that will pay you well based on your experience. On this website, there are 2 methods to actually earn money. Now, the website's algorithm will actually match you with jobs that fit your profile if you establish a profile. And you may also explore the site and apply for open opportunities. The next website on my list here, I'm sure you've not heard of it before. It is called Bestmark. Yes. Bestmark offers you the opportunity to earn money and receive complimentary food and services by signing up as a secret shopper on their website. In case you're wondering, who are secret shoppers? Secret shoppers are responsible for completing tasks and sharing their experiences. Now, depending on the company, on the assignment, secret shoppers can earn up to $35 per hour or even more. Guys, the next website on my list here is Sweatcoin. Yes, so in case you have not heard, I'm sure you've not heard of Sweatcoin before. They pay you for exercising, they pay you for working out. Yes, and here is how it works. So besties, Sweatcoin is a mobile app that incentivizes physical activities by offering payments for exercising. The app keeps track of the number of steps taken by the user, yes, and rewards them with sweat coins that can be used to redeem products, services, or even converted to cash. It's actually a wonderful method to stay motivated while earning extra income by staying physically active. Yes, so now the next one on my list here is GigWalk. Yes, so GigWalk is a website that compensates individuals for doing small jobs in their local community. These jobs may comprise, taking photos of establishments, app testing, or confirming addresses. The compensation amount varies according to the task, but it's a beneficial method to earn additional income. There are so many ways to actually make money, guys, that I'm going to be sharing with you on this channel. Please, if you have any question for me, please feel free to ask in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. There are so many ways to make money, and I'm going to give you a secret website where you can actually make money every single day. The app is called Nextdoor. Yes, have you heard of Nextdoor.com? Nextdoor.com is an app where you can showcase your products or your services and get paid, get clients within your local community. Now, here is how it works. Get on Nextdoor.com, go to www.nextdoor.com, and then register as a business. Yes, make sure that you register as a business, not just as an individual. The reason is because when you make posts as an individual on Nextdoor, you're likely going to be kicked out if you post multiple times. But if you have a business account, guess what? You can post multiple times. In fact, they encourage you to post multiple times if you have a business account on Nextdoor. Yes, you do not need to run ads. Please never, I'm sorry, it might be bad business for Nextdoor, but please never ever run ads on Nextdoor. You're just going to waste your money, because on Nextdoor you can get as much as 5,000 impressions for free. 5,000 people are going to see your post without making payment, without paying them for ads. So there's no points. I ran ads, that's what I'm telling you guys. I mean, I'm speaking from experience. So I ran ads and I didn't get any view, I didn't get any click. Whereas when I switched my account from a personal account to a business account, I realized, oh, I can actually post many times and not get banned. They will ban you. Not that they will ban you if you post multiple times with your personal accounts. Yes, they will definitely ban you. So do not do that. Yes, caveat emptor. Yeah, so make sure that you go on Nextdoor.com, sign up as a business, and begin to post consistently. And I'm gonna say this: post without sounding salesy. Yes, on your accounts. So when you post, the first thing you want to do is introduce yourself. Make sure that you introduce yourself every single time. But before you introduce yourself, always start with a positive note. Yes, you just say hi to your neighbors first. You must say hi neighbors or hello neighbors, and then start to give them motivational quotes. Then introduce yourself and your services every single time. Make sure that you use that format. Make sure that you use that format every single time. Greetings, hi neighbors, motivational quote, introduction, and what you do. That is it. And then make sure that you always have a picture or pictures, yes, that depicts your business or your products or your services. Remember, a picture speaks 1,000 words. Yes, so use a picture. It is a picture that is eye-catchy. You can go on pexels.com, or you can just go online on Instagram or or Pinterest to get a picture, an eye-catchy, eye-grabbing picture, to use on Nextdoor platform, and you'll be surprised. A lot of people neglect their local communities, seeking for clients online everywhere in the world, different states. Whereas you can comb your local community. You can be the well-known brand in your local community. And I hope I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can make money from the comfort of your home utilizing all the platforms that I've shared with you today. If you have any questions for me, please leave it in the question bar. If this video has been a blessing to you, please like this video. Click on the like button. Share this video with your friends. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. And if you haven't introduced yourselves yet, God is watching you. Introduce yourselves in comments. I'd like to know you and meet you. What part of the world are you watching from? And of course, I will see you in my next video. video. In case anyone is doubting how far you can go, please, with my permission, just go so far that you can't even hear them anymore. Alright guys, take care of yourselves and good exploits, and I will see you in my next video. Cheers guys. Bye.